Hello, my name is Ken Zabo. I have created their website, shoppingatbargainprices.com. I have done a lot of research to create this website for the benefit of those who need and would like this information showing where to find one-of-a-kind websites that offer you discount merchandise. I have put together over 20 different websites that will save you a lot of time and money and guide you to unique products that most people have never seen at these low prices. Thousands of products that would normally be hard to find are all made available through shoppingatbargainprices.com. This is truly valuable information with resources that will make you smile. I could go on, but I would like to send you the information on how you can benefit yourself and enjoy what shoppingatbargainprices.com offer you. Please just fill in the form below to get access to this important information, plus additional values we have for you. I encourage you to do that right now. Thank you, and have a great day.